guys, it is Adelina here, and today I am going to be doing a toy review. And today's twist is toys from Goodwill. And I picked out straws for today, and it seems kind of cool. This was the package that it came in, you see, but I took all of the stuff out because it took way too long, and you guys would just be sitting there for half an hour waiting for me to get it all unpacked. Yeah. Okay, so what it basically is you can connect and disconnect and make straws, like bendy straws. And so we have 4 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, 4 of these, 8 of these. Now, and then a bunch of these things. There's long and short ones. And so we're gonna make some straws, I guess. Okay, so I haven't really done this before, but I think it'll be fun. So I don't know how this works, so I'm gonna take a long one, and I'm gonna add want it to bend, and now I'm gonna put that there. And this is actually really old, so I don't know if I'm gonna be drinking out of it, but who knows? Okay, I might get sick or something, but who would knows? Nobody, that's you. Now I'm gonna get some small ones. Let me get one of these again. I'm making something very, I have no idea. I think it's too much weight. I think I have to make these short straws. Okay. Okay. See, I broke this. How do I put it back together? No one can put it back together again. Make this the other way. And maybe add this. But that's... I have no idea what I'm doing. And that's the fun part. And so now I'm just gonna stick that there and maybe make something like this. Give it one of these. Now I'm gonna make a long one, and now, yay, we have a straw. Okay, I think I actually like this. It's really cool. You can make your own bendy straws, and I made something pretty crazy here. It just jumps up and down, but yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, and so that's it for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Bye.